Are you ready to experience the luxury and glamour of Dubai without breaking the bank? Look no further. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our top tips and tricks for enjoying all that Dubai has to offer on a budget. From affordable accommodation options to budget-friendly dining and transportation, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the best of Dubai without breaking the bank. First, let's talk about accommodation. While Dubai is known for its luxurious hotels and resorts, there are actually plenty of affordable options available as well. One option is to stay in a hostel or budget hotel, which can offer basic but comfortable accommodations for a fraction of the cost of a 5-star property. Alternatively, you can look into vacation rentals or Airbnb options, which can often be more affordable than traditional hotels, especially if you're traveling with a group. Here's our list for best hotels in Dubai on a budget. 1. Premier Inn Dubai International Airport. 2. Ramada by Wyndham Dubai. 3. Al Khoury Atrium Hotel. 4. Oyo 3775 Hotel Naza Central. 5. Grand Excelsior Hotel Al Barsha. 6. Dusit Thani Dubai. 7. Hilton Garden Inn Dubai Al Muraqabat. 8. Aloft Dubai South. 9. Fairmont Dubai. 10. Ibis Styles Dubai Jumeirah. Next, let's talk about food and drink. Dubai is home to a diverse range of cuisines and dining experiences, and while there are certainly plenty of high-end options available, there are also plenty of budget-friendly options as well. Street food and local markets are great places to find cheap and delicious eats, and there are also many budget-friendly restaurants and cafes throughout the city. When it comes to drinks, it's worth noting that alcohol is expensive in Dubai, so if you're looking to save money, you may want to limit your consumption or opt for non-alcoholic options. Here are our list for best restaurants and cafeteria on a budget. 1. Karak Garbawi. 2. Ravi Restaurant. 3. Al Mala. 4. Biryani Pot. 5. Shawarma Station. 6. Al Reef Lebanese Bakery. 7. The Noodle House. 8. Al Fanar Restaurant and Cafe. 9. Pakistan Tea House. 10. The Kebab Shop. Of course, no trip to Dubai would be complete without experiencing some of the city's iconic attractions. While many of these can be quite expensive, there are still plenty of budget-friendly options available. For example, you can visit the Dubai Creek, which offers beautiful views and a chance to experience traditional Emirati culture for free. Alternatively, you can visit some of the city's less well-known attractions, such as the Dubai Miracle Garden or the Dubai Frame, which offer unique experiences at a fraction of the cost of more popular destinations. Here's our list for best attractions for unforgettable experience in Dubai. 1. Dubai Creek. 2. Dubai Miracle Garden. 3. Dubai Frame. 4. Al Fahidi Historical District. 5. Dubai Museum. 6. Dubai Dolphinarium. 7. Jumeirah Beach Park. 8. Dubai Mall Fountain Show. 9. Ski Dubai. 10. Dubai Mall. Finally, let's talk about transportation. While Dubai is known for its expansive public transportation system, it can still be expensive to get around, especially if you're traveling long distances or using taxis. One way to save money on transportation is to use the city's extensive bus network, which is cheap and reliable. Alternatively, you can rent a car or use ride-sharing services, which can be more affordable than taxis, especially if you're traveling with a group. Here's how you can go around Dubai in a budget. 1. Dubai Metro. 2. Dubai Bus. 3. Renting a car. 4. Ride-sharing services such as Careem or Uber. 5. Renting a bicycle. 6. Using the water bus. 7. Hiring a taxi for the day. 8. Using the Dubai tram. 9. Using the Dubai trolley. 10. Walking or taking a leisurely stroll through the city's pedestrian-friendly areas. Overall, there are plenty of ways to enjoy Dubai on a budget. By choosing affordable accommodation, seeking out budget-friendly dining options, and exploring the city's more affordable attractions, you can have an amazing vacation without breaking the bank. So why wait? Start planning your budget-friendly trip to Dubai today.